LCD Smart Interactive Whiteboard enhanced engagement. Interactive whiteboards make lessons more engaging and interactive. They allow teachers to incorporate multimedia elements such as videos, images, and audio into their lessons, which can help capture students' attention and make learning more dynamic. Collaborative learning. These whiteboards support multi-touch capabilities, allowing multiple users to interact with the board simultaneously. This feature promotes collaboration among students, encouraging group activities and discussions. Improved accessibility. LCD smartboards can support various types of digital content and applications, making information more accessible to students with different learning styles. They also often include features like text-to-speech and adjustable text size for students with visual impairments. Versatility in use. These boards can be used for a wide range of activities beyond traditional teaching, such as interactive quizzes, virtual field trips, and educational games. They can also be used for video conferencing and remote learning, making them a versatile tool in modern classrooms. Enhanced teaching tools. Teachers can use various digital tools to annotate, highlight, and manipulate content in real time. This capability can help to explain complex concepts more clearly and make the teaching process more effective. Resource integration. LCD interactive whiteboards can integrate with various educational software and online resources, providing teachers with a vast array of teaching materials at their fingertips. This integration can streamline lesson planning and execution. Digital record keeping. Sessions on the interactive whiteboard can be recorded and saved, allowing students to revisit the lesson later. This feature is particularly beneficial for review and revision purposes. The eco-friendly Smartboard LCD writing board offers numerous benefits, such as minimizing paper and traditional supplies, as well as providing technical advantages like high-resolution displays, durability, and longer lifespans. These features make it a valuable tool in both educational and professional environments. The integration of LCD Smart Interactive Whiteboards enhances the demonstration and learning experiences. We are excited about the possibility of collaborating between our companies. Thank you for considering our products. For further information, please contact Mr. Satish at BSNP Pte Ltd, Singapore via WhatsApp or phone, +65 9018 6633.